Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Stitch Fix box for September. So here we are and fall is almost upon us. I started decorating already, as you can clearly see from my pumpkins behind me. So I'm excited. And this fix, I had asked my stylist to style some fall gear, and to get me ready to transition, of course, to the next season. So I will be honest, I happen to love summer, but I do love to decorate for fall. I think I've said this on this channel already. So I'm kind of mourning the loss of summer weather, and I mean, it's still warm here, but it's coming to an end, and I can feel it in the morning and in the evenings. You can feel like that little bit of a chill, but being that it is heading in that direction, again, I did ask for some fall fashion in this box. So let's dig on in, and before we do so, just a very quick recap. If you've never tried Stitch Fix before, Stitch Fix is a fashion subscription service. They ask you to fill out a profile, and once you filled out a profile and you get your first fix, you normally will get charged a $25 styling fee. In order to get that waived, if you're not a Stitch Fix subscriber, use my link in the comments and you can get that fee waived, and you can also get $25 to shop your first Stitch Fix box. So let's go ahead and take a look. This box, I believe, came from Texas, and it was delivered by FedEx. So I can tell you that I believe once we open the box, you'll see there should be a return envelope in this box. Yep. So here it is. Here's the box. That's what it looks like. And what I was saying is you will get a return envelope, and anything you don't want out of this box gets returned through the post office. So normally I just put it outside, my mail carrier will take it. I don't even have to bring it to the post office. If you can't do that, you just drop it right into a drop box at the post office and off it goes, and no issues. Also in the box is an envelope, and this has all your paperwork. I'm not going to look at it, but the paperwork in general is, this is a receipt, so this will tell you everything that's in your box and pricing. The other is a style card. So this card has all of the pieces that are in your fix plus a note from your stylist. So let's read that right now. So in the note, I have Emma again, and I adore Emma. She is an awesome stylist. So let's see what she says. She says, "It's fix day again, Janine. I'm sorry that last fix wasn't a win for you. Here's hoping these newest styles bring you the brightest smiles yet. I love that you're thinking about fall fashion. I'm right there with you, along with pumpkin spice lattes. A fabulous wedge bootie is a must for fall. What do you think of these toms? Create the perfect weekend look by pairing them with these camo skinnies and this gray v-neck sweatshirt. I remembered you like some cute camo print. Hello, I'm wearing camo right now. And I went for a petite to help you get the right fit. How do these jeans feel? Lastly, you get an iconic fall feel by adding this layering, adding this striped cardigan over this front tie tee. Let me know how this first fall fix worked out for you. Cheers, Emma." And I wonder if this says what number fix. Nope, doesn't. Maybe on, oh, let's see. This is fix number 33 for me. So when she alludes to the fact that my last fix didn't work out, I didn't keep anything. I'm being a little bit more picky, I'm not gonna lie. I need to absolutely love it. I have a lot of clothes. My closet and my drawers in my bureau in my bedroom are filled. So it has to wow me at this point, to be quite honest with you. So I am being a little bit more selective. But I do appreciate Emma. She is awesome. She tries very hard with my style. So let's dig in. Let's see. So here is the bundle. So it has turned into the brown paper. It used to be white, and there's the logo for Stitch Fix, and there's the bundle, and I see it. I see some camo. I see that black sweatshirt she was talking about. Looks like some looks like maybe like a burnt orange, like a red maroon maybe. Actually, it's more like a burnt orange, and like a cream colored top. So that's the bundle. And she also mentioned shoes, so let's take a quick look. And I believe she said they're Toms. So these are the Toms Kayla Suede Wedge Bootie, dark gray, 6.5. And I'm gonna tell you the price because, let's see, they are $90. So they're pretty expensive. So they either have to wow me or I have to keep this whole box, to be quite honest with you. So here's what they look like. You can see them. So they are a wedge booty. They're in gray, and this looks like it's gray as well with some laces, so they lace up. They're cute and they're suede. I will definitely try them, but like I said, I need to be wowed and possibly keep this whole box because $90 is a little pricey for booties. I could probably get booties on sale. I could have gotten them on the Nordstrom anniversary sale, not gonna lie. So we'll put them to the side and we will definitely try them on in the try on. I am not gonna open this whole bundle now. I'm just gonna head right into the try on so we can save a little time, and I will go through each item and pricing during that try on. So if you hang on, I'll be back with that, and I will try my best to style, if possible, according to the style card if I have the pieces. If not, then we'll do our best and style together with what is here. So hang on, and I shall return with that momentarily. Be right back. Hi, and welcome back for the try-on portion. I am filming this a couple of days after I did the unboxing. Things just got a little crazy here with my girls going back to school. So I did extend this checkout window, but I wanted to show you first. I am wearing 3 of the items out of this fix. So on top, I am wearing this sweater. This is by WILDFOX. And this is the Danae V-neck sweatshirt in gray, and it's in a size extra small, and this sweatshirt is $78. I think it's cute. The only thing is it's very, very low cut, and I'd have to maybe wear like a cami underneath. I mean, I could do that. I just don't know if I need this. I need to go through my sweaters, and I don't even know if I'm there yet at this point, but it is very soft. But the sleeves are pretty long. I don't know if you can see, this is the sleeve. Also, as I bring you down, but let me discuss the top. So hang on, I want you to see, this is the full length of it. So front, here is the back. And again, the thing that gets me is it's very, very soft. I want to come closer so you can see the material. It's like a gray, like plushy material. So I do like that. It feels very cozy for the fall and winter. Like if you're just hanging out at home, I could see being very comfortable in this. But like I said, I would need probably something underneath because after trying it on, I could see how low cut it is. On the bottom, these are by Democracy. These are in camel print. So let me get my receipt again. These are Democracy, the Martie printed side zip detail pants, and they're in olive. They're in a 2 petite and they're $68. So the side zip, which I like, this is a very cute feature. It has a zipper. It's not I mean, it functions, but it's not a pocket or anything. It's just a regular zipper. The pockets are here. So there's working pockets here. Here are the working pockets in the back. They fit pretty nicely. And Democracy has this feature that has like the elastic inside. They have like this to keep everything in, and they are comfortable. But before I show you and bring you down to the shoes, I own not one, but 3 different pairs of camo pants. So these, I believe, are Not Your Daughter's jeans. These are Sanctuary. And these are Spanx leggings. So I don't know if I need any more camo pants heading into the fall. Those that know my channel know I have a slight addiction with camo. So as you can see, I totally do, with 3 pairs of pants already in camo print. So if I didn't have those, I may be inclined to grab these, but for $68, the fact that I have 3 pairs, I don't know if I need them. On the bottom, I put on, and I will bring you down, but I want to explain something first. So you're going to see the Toms, the Kayla Suede Wedgie Bootie in dark gray, size 6.5, and they're $90. I only have one on because I realized when I went to go put them on, I have 2 of the same side shoe. So I have 2 of the left hand side shoe. So I do have them on, but I couldn't put the other one on because they're both for the same foot. So here is what they look like. And I know I gave you a close-up, I believe, in the intro. So I didn't think I needed to do it again, but here they are. I can't wear them both. And to be quite honest with you, I don't need these shoes. The issue that I have particularly is that they have the tie. And I'm not a fan of the tie in the booty, mainly because I have a bad lower back. So I like to be able to just slip in or zip very quickly. I don't want to have to be bending down to tie. So I don't think I need them. And moreover, I don't even have the same like I have the same shoe for the same foot. So if I did keep them, I would have to let them know in exchange because I don't have an actual pair. I have for the one foot and that's it. But it is cute. It's platform. If you are in need of a cute suede platform booty, these are really cute. You know, no complaint there, just probably not for me. That said, I have 2 more items and I'm just gonna switch into them. It's the sweater and the t-shirt top. So I'll be right back with that and try to wrap this up pretty quickly. So hang on and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the second outfit and the last of the outfits. So I switched into, on top, first of all, I have the Love ELLIE, the Neely 2 pocket cardigan, and this is in burnt orange and an extra small, and this is $44. So this is the cheapest item in the fix. This cute little cardigan sweater, and I love that it has the pockets, and I love the stripe detail. So to come closer, it is in this, they're calling it burnt orange and white stripe. Really, really nice for the fall, the colors. And if I back up, you can see how the length of it, how long it is in the front. It's pretty much similar in the back. And it has, sorry, I'm still wearing only one booty, so if I'm struggling here, you understand why I'm doing one of those, but I didn't switch out of the shoes, or the shoe, I should say. It has like a cutout detail here. It's really cute. And I put it on top of, and I will take it off so you can see it better, but underneath, this is, the t-shirt is Beyond Yoga All for Ties tee in beige, size extra small, and this t-shirt is $66. So let me take the sweater off so you can see the t-shirt better. And I'll come closer so you can see. It's just a plain beige color. And it has that little tie down here. I didn't know if I would like that. I'm kind of over that look, but this t-shirt is so soft. It is a little pricey, and I have, I believe, seen this brand in my local Marshalls. So I don't know if, like, I'm probably not keeping everything in this fix. So I don't have anything in this color. I did check my t-shirts. I don't have anything in this color. So I could use the color. I just don't know about the price. So help me out. I'm showing it to you in the try on. I'm curious your thoughts. But here is the front and here is the back. And again, it went very nicely paired, I thought, with the cardigan. So again, here it is with the cardigan. I thought for the fall, the colors together, I thought went very nicely. Just like as a comfortable outfit to wear. I'm still working from home, you know, or just run a quick grocery errand or even go hunting for Ray Nunn, but it's a comfortable outfit. So I guess let me know what you think. So I'm not gonna get changed. I've given you all the prices. I just wanna give you the total. So the stylist pick subtotal is $346. The buy all discount is 25% off, and that is $86.50. So the order subtotal is $259.50 to buy all 5 pieces. It's not bad. Like I said, if I didn't already own camo pants, you know, I might have considered. The booties, they're okay. They're not completely my style, but I could see what, you know, she was aiming for. The outfit that she was aiming for, it's not a bad outfit for fall. I mean, it is a decent outfit. If you were to switch, like I said, with the sweater or the original sweater or this cute little cardigan and the t-shirt, you know, all of these pieces can work together. I get the style pass, so I did not pay the $20 styling fee, so that doesn't come off. So again, the bottom line, if I were to buy all 5, $259.50. Again, not thinking I need all 5. I'm leaning towards definitely keeping, I think I'm going to keep the cardigan. I'm not 100% about the t-shirt. I need a little help with that. Let me know if you think I could do better elsewhere. Like I said, I think I've seen this brand at Marshalls. But this is where I'm at. I'm probably sending back the camo pants and the booties, and I think the other sweater, because the other, yeah, $78. I don't think I need for $78 right now. But, you know, it was nice, but I wasn't wowed by it. At this point, I need to be wowed by it, to be honest. But again, you've seen everything. If you are not a Stitch Fix member, please, again, feel free to use my link in the comments. When you sign up, you will get your styling fee waived off your first fix, and you'll also get $25 to shop your first fix. That said, I just want to thank all for returning and watching my channel and supporting me. If you are not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I just want to wish all a magical day, and bye for now.